In today's video, I'm going to teach you Set Up Shopify for Beginners, Shopify tutorial. Before you press launch, there are 3 essential settings to fix so your store can actually take orders and get you paid. We'll start in your Shopify admin. Open Settings, then choose Payments. To accept money right away, activate Shopify Payments. This built-in option lets your store take major credit cards and Apple Pay without extra gateways. Click to set it up, follow the prompts, and link your bank account so payouts have a place to land. Take a moment to double-check your business details and bank info as you go. Accurate information helps avoid delays in receiving funds. Depending on your region, you may also see additional wallets like Google Pay, which can speed up checkout for mobile shoppers. Once Shopify Payments shows as active, your checkout is ready to process real transactions, and funds will be automatically deposited to your bank on Shopify's payout schedule. It's simple, trusted, and designed to reduce friction for both you and your customers. Next, head to Shipping and Delivery. New stores often overlook this, but clear shipping rules prevent cart abandonment. Create a shipping zone for your country, so Shopify knows where you'll ship by default. Then decide on your pricing approach. Flat rate is straightforward and predictable for you and your customers. Alternatively, you can offer free shipping over a certain order amount to encourage bigger carts. For example, you might start with a simple flat rate like a few dollars for domestic orders, or offer free shipping over a threshold that fits your margins. Pick the option that aligns with your costs and keep it simple to start. You can always refine these numbers later as you learn your actual shipping expenses. The key is to have at least one reliable domestic shipping method live before launch. Finally, go to Policies. Instead of writing legal pages from scratch, click Create from Template for your refund policy and your terms of service. These Shopify templates give you a professional, legally minded starting point in seconds. Generate them, save, and then skim through to make sure the tone and details match how you want to run your store. Having these policies visible builds trust at checkout, helps with any disputes, and reduces confusion if a customer needs support. Shopify also references these policies during checkout, which reassures buyers as they complete payment. With payments, shipping, and policies in place, your foundation is solid. Now you can focus on the fun stuff, adding products and designing a homepage that showcases your brand. Set it up right the first time, and you'll launch with confidence. Follow for the next step, adding your first product.